Okay, let's say you're at the grocery store. Who has a favorite cereal? Elise, what is your favorite cereal?
Frosted Flakes.
Frosted Flakes. So let's say you go to the grocery store and you buy some Frosted Flakes. You look on the shelf, and the box of Frosted Flakes is $4.12. Okay? Who has a favorite, like, potato chip? All right, be specific. Let's see. Luke, what's your favorite potato chip?
Tortillas.
What?
That's not corn chips. Yeah. It's like got the beach salt. Got a lighthouse on it.
Cape
Cod. Cape Cod.
Cape Cod. All right, we got the Cape Cod chips. All right, I think those are like something like this, $4.80 thereabouts. Okay. Who has like something sweet that you like from the grocery store, prepackaged? Carson. What? Chocolate covered cherries. Okay. I know, that's fancy. Chocolate covered cherries. I have no idea how much those cost, so I'm just gonna guess they are $6.32. Jack.
For cherries, you're supposed to spell it instead of the Y, you spell it with an I.
Okay, all right, good. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Always good. No, that's good. Correct me when I'm wrong. I don't have thick skin, but when I make a mistake, I'm not above being corrected. So thank you, Jack. All right, what about ice cream? Who has a favorite brand and flavor of ice cream? James.
Ben and Jerry's.
Ben and Jerry's.
Cookie dough.
Ben and Jerry's. What's your favorite flavor of Ben and Jerry's?
Milk and cookies.
Milk and cookies. All right, now let's say this is like roughly $4.70, something like that. And let's get something healthy too. What's something like moderately healthy we can get? Connolly? Apples. What kind of apples? Honey Crisp. Okay. So Honey Crisp apples, and let's say the Honey Crisp apples cost $2.90. Okay. So, one second. Let's say, well, first off, if you have $25 in your pocket, cash, will you have enough? Don't say that out loud. Just look at the board. Think about it. Will you have enough if you have $25 cash in your pockets? All right. Who says yes, you'll have enough? Who says no, you won't have enough?
Wait, tax.
Who says it's too close to call? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I kind of agree with that third group here. Who can tell me like what you did to figure out if you'll have enough money or not? Griffin.
First I got all the whole numbers and added them up together.
Wait, when you say you got all the whole numbers, what do you mean? Like the Frosted Flakes. What did you say the Frosted Flakes cost?
The whole dollar is four.
So you said that's about $4, right?
Right.
All right, then what else?
And then I did the same with Cape Cod.
What did you say that cost?
$4.
$4? So I would say that's let's call that $5 because it's a lot closer to 5 than it is to 4, right? What about the cherries?
They're $6.
$6. How about the ice cream?
It's $5.
It's about $5. And the apples?
$3.
About 3. So this is called rounding, right? We have rounded to the nearest whole number. We're going to be doing some rounding today. Sometimes it's the nearest whole number. Sometimes it's like the nearest half, right? So like 1.5, 2.5, whatever. But let's add this up now. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So you got $23 worth of stuff about. Could it be less than $23? Yeah. But if it's less than 23, it's not less by much, right? Could it be more than $23?
Yes.
Could be. If it's more than 23, It's not much more than 23, right? So we're close to $23, and then we'll say $23 plus or minus, meaning like it could be a little bit more, it could be a little bit less. It's definitely not $22 there, right? And it's definitely not $24. When we round it down, there's like 12 cents that's unaccounted for. When we round it up, there's like 20 cents that's unaccounted for. When we round it down, there's like 32 cents that are unaccounted for. When we round it up, there's like 30 cents that's unaccounted for. When we round it up, there's 10 cents. So the bottom line is there's some change here and there that's unaccounted for, but like sometimes you round up, sometimes you round down, and it kind of like cancels out a bit. So we're pretty close to 23 bucks. Pretty close, plus or minus. Now, Lauren had a question. She said, what did you say? What taxes, right? So taxes are different depending on where you live. Some places have no sales tax. I'm trying to think of states that have no sales tax. New Jersey has no sales tax? No, I don't know. I'm asking. I don't know. So Florida has no, listen up. Florida has no state income tax. So if you have a job in Florida, you don't have to pay state income tax, but their sales tax is actually quite high. If you were the governor of Florida, why would you want the sales tax to be high? Luke, thanks for raising your hand.
There's a lot of money in Florida.
All right, but there's a reason the sales tax is high, but the income tax is low. Elise.
So I get money.
Okay, yes, but Piero.
Because they want you to think about the income tax and
No, Christian.
Because the government isn't getting enough money from the income tax, so they have to charge more.
That's part of it, but there's another reason, Griffin.
It's because they get so much tourists.
Yes. Think about this. You are the governor of Florida. Every year, millions of people come to your state. They come to Disney World. They come to beaches from the Panhandle, down the West Coast, all up the East Coast. There are people that come from all over the country and all over the world that visit Florida. There's a ton, millions, if not billions, of tourist dollars. And so when you raise the tax up, you're taking extra money from the tourists, or you're capturing tourist money. And that the tourists leave, but the money that you collect in tax stays. And you can kind of pass that on to the people that live in your state, and you can say, okay, well, we got this extra money from taxing the tourists, so you guys don't have to pay as much in income tax. So that's part of the strategy of Florida. So anyway.
Doesn't Georgia have fairly high?
So what you did was you estimated, right? You rounded, Piero. You rounded each of these to the nearest whole number, and you added them up, and you said, we got $23, give or take a little bit. We're in the ballpark of $23. So if you got $25 in your pocket, you're walking up to the register, and you're like, I hope this is enough. It's going to be close. It's dependent upon the tax rate. And so you got to probably be prepared to put something back if needed. Not conversely, but in another situation, if you had $30 cash, you would be certain you had enough. And if you had $20 cash, you would be certain you did not have enough. So this is called estimating. It's what we're going to do today. And right now, even if you're at home, and if you're at home, we have something coming after this too. I want you to open up IXL, and you're going to go to 7th grade math, and you're going to go to lesson E.7. I want you to score a 100. Score 100. Yeah, everybody's doing IXL right now. So if you're at home, there is a worksheet, a Practice Master worksheet that I'm sending to you. It's Practice Master 5.2. You need to complete everything on there, everything on the Practice Master 5.2. So there you go. IXL E.7, score 100, and then the Practice Master sheet. That's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.